Mother, what is it? Huh? What is it?
I wish I had opened up a business in this village. We would have had something to fall back to now.
Mother. Mother. A lot to regret and brood about. But there is something you need to know. Once there is life, there is hope. We should thank God that we survived, right? Everything will be fine. We have a lot of cleaning to do. Let's go inside, please. Let's go and start. Our God will help us.
Amen.
Our God will see us through, please.
Amen.
Thank God we survived. Thank God we are back. That's what is important.
Let's have our own meeting too.
Let's go. Oh yeah. Daddy! Yeah! Mommy! Mommy, come now! Mommy! Mommy, take the ball! Mommy, take the ball! Take the ball, Mommy! Yes!
What's going on?
Yes!
What's going on?
Yes!
What's going on? What happened?
Number 10.
In fact,
Mommy,
no, this is not a goal. No. Mommy, no. It's not a goal. This is not a goal. It's handball.
No argument about it.
What do you mean it's not a goal?
It's handball.
Chineye, it is a big goal.
Oh.
It's 8.
Tell
We
her.
just scored one now.
Tell her.
On to the next one, Mama.
Hey! See them, losers. At least we're able to score one. Eh?
Yes, Mama. We scored.
Yes.
Hi, darling. It is not a goal. This is football, not handball.
Daddy.
You carried it with your hand. It is a foul.
But there's a ball inside now. Whether it is handball or football, there's a ball.
It is not a foul. The new FIFA rule allows it. Yes.
FIFA.
Yes.
Yes, what I just did.
Which FIFA?
Yeah.
Which FIFA are you talking about?
The FIFA, you know.
You mean the Kwamaga FIFA, eh?
What do you mean by that? What do you mean by core market FIFA? This is international world FIFA rules. And Mommy just scored. Whether there is a handball or there is a football, there's a ball inside.
There's a ball inside.
A goal.
A goal is a goal.
A goal is a goal.
But let's be serious for one minute. Both of you didn't tell me that you have been engaged by FIFA. That you have big appointments. Please, just give me my own share of the foreign
Give
currency.
us, that is only you.
Which, now you agree that it's FIFA rules, Abi?
Because you just
Now you want to
we are wondering.
Now you want to collect money. Mama, it is a goal.
Okay. This match is over.
My son!
Welcome, darling.
How are you doing?
Hey, big friend!
How are you?
That's my boy. That's my boy.
How are you doing?
Look at him.
You're looking so
Wow, you quite enjoying yourself.
Yes, we're having fun.
Wow, daddy, guess what? Guess what? Wow, oh my God. Look at this. My American visa is stamped. Thank you.
But come. No. Come. Hold on. What whisper of this? You didn't give us a hint. Even this morning.
Where are you? Where are you? I'm asking you, where are you? Wherever you are, come back. Come back. Where are you? Where are you? Come back. Come back to me. Come back.
God of mercy. Barrister Okachi, what happened?
The worst has happened again. Chief. Lola. It has happened again.
What has happened that has left you this devastated, Ugoji?
Yes, Barrister Ugoji. I need you to be a very emotionally strong man. What went wrong? Talk to us.
She left. My wife, Teresa, has left me, Chief and Lola.
How? Why?
I begged her. I cried to her all through the night. I even agreed to allow her to be doing it outside and accept the product of whatever that comes out of it. And she agreed. She even gave me her words that she will not leave me like the 3 wives I had before her. She was all smiles when I was leaving for the court earlier today. I even left my car behind because she asked me to, saying that she wanted to go to Okigwe to buy something with it. I never knew that she was lying to me. Teresa lied to me. She left our marriage in my absence. She left and dropped this miserable note for me.
I have left. The option you suggested is not one I'm ready to accept. Any valuable of yours you can't find in the house was taken by me, including your car. If you try to come after me directly or indirectly, even for reason of begging me, I will expose everything.
No, Teresa, no.
I understand this. But what is it she threatened to expose? And...
Please, my darling, that is not a relevant question.
It is relevant, Chief. How can something that has cost me 1, 2, 3, 4 marriages not be relevant? It is relevant, Chief. Oh, Ifnaya. Where are you? Where are you, Ifnaya? Ifnaya, please come back. Call me if you are still alive. I swear I can trade the whole world to get you back. Pull yourself together, barrister. Chief, I mean it. I mean every word of it. I can give anything, even my life for Ifnaya.
Who is Ifnaya, darling?
Chief, please tell her. I don't care. Tell her everything.
Okay. She was the family's house help in Kano 29 years ago. He fell in love with her, and their secret affair resulted in pregnancy just after he left law school. But his parents will have none of it. They were quite rich and famous back then, and he was their only son. The girl was equally an only child, but she was an orphan with both parents dead, and they left nothing for her. For 3 weeks, his parents fought him physically and psychologically. And in his absence, one day, they sent her away. Till their death a few years ago, they refused to tell anyone where they sent her to. And no one has seen her since then. Even up till today. Out of anger, Barrister permanently severed all relationship with his parents. And he moved out of their house. It was why he was going from city to city in the northern region in search of her that he had this auto accident that
rendered me impotent. Say it, Chief. I am impotent. I sustained a serious injury in my waist region in the accident that left me totally incapable of producing sperm cells. I can't even achieve erection. I am only a man in words. I am nothing. I am worth nothing.
Barrister, take it easy. Take it easy. Pull yourself together.
it is well.
Do I look like a harlot like you? Eh? As you look at me, do I look like a harlot? Idiot! You have no shame. Why should you ever mention such a thing to me? I'm only begging. Oh, why can I beg you? Will you shut up? Shut up and don't say a word. I'm not as useless as you are. You have no shame. Eh? Why should you ever mention that? Don't dora me. Okay. What? Is there any big deal in this? Big deal? Okay. Let us see whether there is no big deal.
Mama, what is it? Mama, give me.
Let me smash her head.
Leave.
Idiot.
Mama, happy.
I know. Oh.
Mama.
Ebuka, why?
Going on?
She deserves to live here with a bleeding head.
What is going on here?
What is all this nonsense?
Mama, what is it?
And Anofia,
Can you calm down?
you think I'm a harlot like you?
Mama,
Idiot.
Mama, calm
Let's
down.
go.
And talk to me. You told me that Madam Egodi is your friend. What is going on?
Let us go.
Eh?
Let us go.
Mama, can you name me?
Let's go. You have to thank your God. Mama. You have to thank your God that I did not smash your head.
Mama,
if
stop.
you go to church, just thank God.
Mama, stop.
I know here.
Stop.
Useless fool. Let us go.
Can you hear me? What happened? Yeah?
I don't have time for that.
What happened?
I have no time for that fool. Let us
What
go.
happened?
Let us go.
Mama.
I know you are God. Please take absolute control of everything we're going to do today. That at the end, your name and your name alone will be glorified. For in Jesus' mighty name I pray. Amen.
Wakey. Oh, you're up already. How are you? How was your night?
Very well. Very well, and yours?
Oh, well, I slept great.
I can see that.
Dad and Mom said you should come downstairs for morning devotion.
Wait. Morning devotion? Mm-hmm. Why? But we do that only on Saturday morning, and today is Tuesday. Why?
Well, as they say, change is the only constant thing in life. So, move. Yes. Right away.
I'm going to go back to bed.
I will. Move. Let's go. We have our morning prayer.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
How old are you now? How old are you now?
How old are you now? How old are you now?
Yes.
Mommy?
Yes, baby.
You know I don't have a good voice.
Don't worry, just sleep anyhow.
Good. Thank you for helping me, Daddy.
No. She's going to tell us how old she is.
That's not cheating.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Yes.
I am 25.
Many more years
To you. Many more years to you. Many more years, many more years, many more years to you.
Hip, hip, hip.
Hooray!
Hip, hip, hip.
Hooray!
Hip, hip, hip.
Hooray!
Oh my goodness. I have the best family in the world.
Mommy loves you.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, bro.
Yes, baby girl, come.
Oh my goodness, I have the best family in the world.
Say that again.
Thank you all.
Day, my dear daughter, best of the best to you today and always.
Man.
Daddy, thank you. Thank you.
Come on, baby. Make a wish and blow your candle.
Sure, I will.
Oh my goodness, this cake is beautiful. Well, it is from moi to the best sister in the world.
What? Wow, really? You got this cake for me?
I did. I'm right here.
Thank you, my beloved sister. I love you so much, right?
I love you more, Daddy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, darling.
Okay.
My wish is
Okay.
more love, more love, and even more love.
Amen. Amen. Amen.
That's beautiful. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
So, go out there.
Happy 25th birthday from all of us with love.
I'm proud of you. Thank you.
It's beautiful. She deserves it.
Yeah.
Sorry, no, sorry. Jisike, this is the last one, okay?
God knows, Mama, this is the last one, please. Eh? This is the last. Look at my hand now. Eh? It's full of blisters.
Sorry. Ndo.
I can't even hold the piston well.
Sorry. Manage. Eh? See, I promise you, this won't last for long. Eh? As soon as we raise enough money to erect that shop that you are building.
Hey, Nkiru. Welcome.
Yes, so. Ebuka. Well done. Hey. Apunka. How you all be fresh?
Oh, more. You
want to buy? How much?
200.
Okay.
Ma okay, Peter.
Don't worry. If you come next time, I'll give you 5. You know you're one of my best customers in this village.
Oh, Dad.
What's up, your mother?
She's fine.
Send me word to her, eh?
I will, ma.
Yeah, thank you. Now, you know, let me see how your face will be today.
I'm so sorry for you. I'm so sorry for putting you through this. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please. I'm sorry. I enjoyed myself. Oh yes.
Oh my God. Yeah. Please, if the blisters in your palms will not let you continue for today, Luca, please.
You have done so much already. You can continue some other time.
Let me finish it.
Hey.
Okay? I don't have chance at all. Let me finish it. Because in the next 6 days, I have others that have booked me for work. Yes, I don't have chance, please. Let me finish it. Some of them have even paid me part payment for it. I'll finish it. Don't worry, I will use my left hand and finish it. Awata, ekuchirigo mnoro. Nga alucha ya. Oh, you all also ya pata. Nga alucha oro ata. Nugo.
Yeah, you are such a delight to watch in this village. Eh? Unlike some of our youths, most of them, they are just there doing nothing. You are so humble, hardworking and obedient. Eh? In fact, all mothers in our village wish you were her son. I myself, I do. Hey!
It's okay, Mama. Thank you so much. I am honored. Thank you.
My dear, God will bless you.
Amen. And God will bless you
surely
too.
bless you in His own time.
Amen.
Eh?
Amen.
Remain blessed, my child.
Amen. I will finish it. Don't worry.
Please be careful.
No wahala. I'll finish it. Eh? Thank you so much, ma. Thank you. Biko butewa money, food, please. No gym. Obayego na sigi. Biko. Thank you, ma.
This is good, Barrister Ogoji. This is really good. Just exactly as I wanted it.
Yeah, come on, Chief. You know, we are friends since childhood. And I've been your personal and company lawyer for over 20 years now. So I can tell your mind, you know, without much explanations from you.
You have proved yourself to be a very good lawyer and a very reliable friend. Can I sign it now?
Of course, yes.
Please show me. Of course. So where do I sign?
This, you have it as your own copy, okay? And this one is my own copy. And this one, I will take it to the court to file it in court as their own copy. Huh?
That's okay.
That's okay. It's okay. Aha, Chief. You promised to tell me why you suddenly decided to do this.
Oh yes, I made that promise. I'm doing it because of my wife and my daughters, especially Chinyere. Through hard work and careful investments in the agro-business sector, real estate, and shares purchases, I have, by the grace of God, built a multi-million business empire in the last 27 years. And my wife has been part of it every step of the way. All my children have contributed ideas and more to this company. I am not expecting anything to happen to me anytime soon. But you know, these are things no one can predict. And I will not like a situation where my wife or any of my daughters will suffer abuse or lack of any sort because of our customs and tradition, denying them the opportunity to inherit my assets on account of the fact that they are women when I'm gone. No, not my wife and my daughter. I love them too much. I love all of them.
I'm impressed. Very impressed. But why insisting that your only son, Henry, should not have the controlling 51% shares of your company? As the only son, he's just so...
No. He is my child. So are Amarachi and Chinime, barrister. I do not subscribe to any child having majority of the shares on account of sex. You see, that is why I decided to give all my children and my wife equal shares of 25% each. If any of my children desires to have more, let him work. Let him set up his own personal business after schooling. There's only one thing I owe all of them as my children. It's good upbringing and the best of education. And for those two areas, my wife and myself, we have done and we are still doing our best to make sure that they get the best of it. By the way, I discussed everything concerning the will with my children before I gave you instructions to write them.
You did?
Of course, yes.
Oh, so what is the reaction? Especially Henry.
Henry has no problem with it. And the same attitude for the other children.
Eh?
Yeah.
I am happy for you. I'm happy for you, my friend.
Thank you.
Cheers to that. Cheers. This is what we call process.
Yeah. Cheers to our friendship.
Oh, cheers to our friendship.
So, Dad, well, we're done. Is everything in the car? Yeah. Back it all.
I'm done. My luggage is in the car.
Henry,
Mommy?
are you sure you packed all you needed to?
Mom, don't you trust us? Amarachi and I made sure we packed everything in his room.
He sat like a king.
Not even.
Packed everything in his boxing. It's fine. Would you tell him like a king, actually?
I trust you girls. I know what you can do. But don't blame me. A mother will always be a mother.
That statement reminds me of my own mother. Mama would always treat me like that little boy. That little carefree boy. Even when I got married and had kids.
I beg. My mother-in-law's own was something else. Such a beautiful soul. I miss her a lot.
Yeah.
You are like that too. You are even worse. Worse, Mom. You treat me like I'm 1 year old.
He said 1 year.
Little baby girl.
Like you're still in her womb.
No matter how big you are, you're still my baby.
Oh my God!
Alright, all that said, Henry needs to wash because he has a 2 p.m. flight to catch.
That's true. Of course.
Then catch a connecting flight from Lagos to New York. Let's all go. Let's go.
Ebuka. Ebuka.
Mama, what is it? What is it?
I'm not feeling too well.
Mama, please don't tell me you're sick. Don't tell me you're sick, please. Mama?
The way I'm feeling of recent, I've been trying to hide it from you all this while.
Really?
The pain under my abdomen is so excruciating.
Oh, sorry, Mama, sorry. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. I will take you to the hospital. I don't even have money to take you, but I'll try.
The way I feel now, it scares me.
Sorry. Sorry. Mama, get it. Mama, don't do this. Mama, who is here? Who is here? Please. Somebody should help me. Somebody should help. Mama, Mama, please. Mama, Pico. Yeah! Yeah!
Yes. Come in.
Doctor, you said for me.
Yeah. Sit down. How are you?
I'm fine, doctor.
The teaching hospital has sent us the result of the test carried out on your mother.
Okay.
I just finished going through it, hence I sent for you.
Oh, okay. Doctor, so what's in the report?
From the report, your mother has a malignant cervical cancer.
What?
And with the way it is spreading, it is only an urgent specialist surgery that can give her a survival chance.
Cancer. My mother. How? Why? Doctor, why? My mother. How? How, doctor?
Ebuka, calm down. Calm down. I've not finished. You see, the operation costs 850,000 naira.
What?
And it has to be done on or before the next 4 weeks. Else, our situation will become irredeemable.
850,000 naira? In the next 4 weeks? Doctor, I don't have it. Where do I get 850,000 naira, doctor?
You see, the good news is that the equipment needed for these operations are here. And the medical experts who carry out the operations have assured us they'll be here to carry out the operation and it will be home and dry.
Doctor, like I said to you last week, my mother and we came back to the village a few months ago. It wasn't by choice, doctor, but because the issues of life forced us to...
I do. I have not forgotten the story you told me last week, Ebuka. I have not. Oh, you see, I quite sympathize with you, but in the circumstance, there is nothing I can do. The surgeons has to be paid, and the needed drugs are expensive too. In fact, this is the best price you can get anywhere for such surgery. I mean, even from government-owned hospitals. You can make inquiries if you doubt me.
Doctor, please, I'm not involved. I don't want my mother to die, doctor. Please help me. She's my life. She's my everything. I don't want to lose her. I will look for money. But please, let my mother not die, please. 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 I don't want my mother to die, please, doctor, please.
Sit down. You sit down, sir. Sit down first. Sit. So I can do. You see, you have to deposit 250,000 naira immediately for the preparation of the surgery to commence. That one is non-negotiable, except if you want to take your mother back home and watch her die. This is all I can do. You know, I'm not old this hospital. Let's try.
Thank you, doctor. I will try, even though I don't know how to get the money, but I will try my best.
God.
My mother will not die. My mother will not die. I will not allow her to die. I will try my best.
I like the faith.
Thank you.
I like the faith.
Thank you.
Please, my son. Please.
Don't allow me to die. Please.
Me?
Help me.
How, mother?
Do anything possible to make sure you help me.
How, mother, how? When Boko Haram terrorists overran Mobi City, we escaped with nothing but the clothes on our bodies. When everything was over, we returned to the city to find our properties and businesses completely destroyed. We resolved to come back to the village, which we did. Mother, you know that we came back to the village with nothing. We were trying to find our pieces when you came down with this sickness. And you are telling me to help you. How in God's name will I find 250,000 naira for the hospital bills within 4 weeks in this village when I know no one, when I have no one, when we have nothing, Mother? How do I do it? I don't know one except God. How do I help you? How will I help you? How? How? Mother, how?
I don't want to die.
You will not die. You will not die. I promise you.
I don't want to leave you.
You will not die. Nothing will happen to you. I will try my best for you. I will. I am your son. I will try. I will try my best for you. You will not die. I will look for money. I will try. You won't. You will not die. The news left my mother and I completely devastated. There is no easily disposable valuable belonging to us that we have not sold. There is no family in this entire village that we have not gone for help. None admitted having money to help us or even to lend us money. I even offered a few portions of land my mother purchased in this village years back. But none admitted having money to buy or even lend us money with the land as collateral. Mother, you are my last hope. Please, help us. Please. I'm begging, help me save the life of my mother. My dying mother. Help me save her life, please. She is your friend. Help me.
Patience is indeed a profitable virtue. It pays to wait patiently.
I'm sorry, Ma. I do not understand what you're talking about.
Ebuka, I am Dora's childhood friend. Did she not mention to you, despite that friendship, why she nearly killed me the last time I was at your end?
Well, she said she do not want to talk about it. Was there a...
I'm sure she never mentioned me to you afterwards. Am I wrong? It's all right. You don't have to say it. I know supposedly that she has sent you to other people in this village before sending you to me. Well, your silence says it all.
Actually, ma'am, she wasn't the one that sent me to you.
Oh. Really? Even in the condition Dora is in, she's still refusing to share you with her own childhood friend. What would be her gain if she suffers and dies in the end? And who told her that the very dude she is refusing to share with me will not eventually become mine to keep and enjoy? Who?
Yeah. Madam Egodi, you're confusing me. What are you talking about?
You.
Me? I don't get it. How?
You really don't? Ebuka. The public could be deceived by the mom-son game you and Dora are playing on them over the years, but not with Egodi. No. I know the true story from the beginning.
Madam Egodi, you're confusing me the more. What story and game are you talking about?
I have the money. I am ready to give you the entire bill the doctor is demanding to save Dora's life. But that will be on the condition that you will give me that which you have been feeding Dora with over the years. Here and now.
Madam Egodi, sorry to ask, because I'm confused. What have I been feeding my mother with that you are demanding and requesting of me?
Sex.
Do you realize you're talking about my biological mother?
Oh, come on. Relax. I just told you that I know. I knew the story from the beginning. Dora is not your biological mother.
What?
Come on. There's nothing wrong with it. Sex with a sexy angel like me and go away with the money you need to save the woman who gave her all to give you life. Oh, you think that merely servicing her sexually is enough for all she did for you? Come on. I know that you're not going to sit and watch her die, the subterranean ingrate. I know you're not heartless. Just set me on fire and go away with the money you came for. Yes, that's the strength. Come on. Let's do it.
What you sow is what you reap. The devil only destroys, and the wicked have no peace. The victory of good over evil is just for a while.
Mother! Mother! Who Who is my biological mother? And please, don't you dare keep mute on me. Because this is the moment I want you to talk to me as you have never done all my life. Who is my biological mother?
Ebuka, you went to Egodi, right?
Oh, it's true. Mother, it's true that you are not my biological mother? So Madam Egodi wasn't really lying? Mother, who is my mother? Who is my real mother?
Listen, Egodi is a devilish manipulator. You know...
Mother, I am not here to hear what or who she is. What I'm interested in, who is my real mother? Can you open your mouth and talk to me? Who is my real mother? Or if I walk out that door, you will never see me again. For the last time, mother, who is my biological mother?
Ebuka, please. Please calm down. Sit down. I will tell you all you need to know. Help me open that drawer. Yes, that is it. There lies the answer you seek. Untie it.
My whole life is changing. It's upside down. I have lost everything. It's upside down. I was happy, now I'm sad. Life was good, but now it's bad. What is happening? Oh, my life is upside down. Is this my destiny? It's upside down.
Picture of a pregnant girl.
She is your biological mother.
Biological mother?
Yes.
Where is she?
She is dead. She died few minutes after being delivered of you.
Please. Where can I find her relatives? Where is she from?
I don't know her relatives, but I know her name. We did not spend much time together.
You didn't spend much time together? I do not understand that.
"29 years ago, I was medically confirmed infertile by a doctor 6 years into my marriage to an only son.
My husband's family forced him into kicking me out. They were aware I was an only child who lost her parents in a ghastly motor accident and was abandoned by all her relatives. I came back to the village with nothing but a few clothes. Coincidentally, Igodi was home then. She was caught in bed with another man and sent away by her husband 2 years earlier. She left the village in disgrace. Soon, she started sending money and gifts, expensive gifts, to her people. Her family told everyone that she got a job in a company owned by Italians in northern Nigeria. The day I came back from Enugu was actually the day she came to show her parents a car she just bought. She was the first person I ran to for help, and she offered to take me to Yola, where she was residing then, and help me gather the pieces of my life. I was relieved. 2 days later, we left the village for Yola. Close to the city, we came upon a ghastly motor accident scene involving a commuter bus. Everyone in that bus was dead, except for your mother, who miraculously came out with only a scratch on her arm. But she was feeling dizzy. We felt for her because she was heavily pregnant. The villagers who rescued her from the mangled bus begged us to take her to Egodi's car and help her to a hospital in Yola. Apart from her name, which she told us was Ifunanya, every other question we asked her was answered with silence and tears. She had nothing but a small purse, the very purse you just opened. As soon as we entered Yola, she fainted in the car. We tried to revive her and found out that she was bleeding from her private parts. We rushed her to the nearest hospital, and she was delivered a few minutes after the medics revived her. Unfortunately, she died a few minutes after she was delivered of you. 2 days later, against Egode's suggestion that we forget about you. I returned back to the hospital and told them that your mother was my younger sister. I apologized on how we absconded from the hospital 2 days earlier and asked them to release you to me. They did. That was the beginning of my trouble in a city where I knew no one but a God. She would not have any of it. I tried to convince her otherwise, but she wouldn't budge. It was through the course of the heated argument that followed that she revealed to me that she was a full-time prostitute, and that the reason for her bringing me to Yola was to introduce me to it. She then demanded that I threw you away immediately, which I refused. Ebuka, Egodi threw you and I out of her house. I suffered untold hardship in order to make sure I keep you alive and fend for you. Ebuka, believe me, you were the son, the child I never had. I brought you up as my own. I want...
Mother, what is it? What is it? Mother, what is it? What is it? Mother, mother, mother. Doctor! Doctor! Mother, don't do this, don't do this. Doctor! Doctor, please come. Mother, don't do this. Mother, no.
You know, your dad was talking about sending you girls outside the country.
Yippee! Please. Shut up!
Your daddy went to Okiwe. He said he has an important issue to sort out with his account officer and also said the bank manager.
Okay, that is great.